channel. If you're new here, hey guys, what's up? My name is Coral, and in today's video I'm actually going to do something really fun and different. I am doing a summer outfit of the week video, and the reason why I'm doing this is because my spring lookbook got a lot of hype and everyone loved it, and I thought, hey, why not do one for summer, but with more outfits involved. So I have 7 outfits for each day of the week, and I hope you guys like them. I try to do something a little different for each one so it kind of fits like every person's style, and it's very versatile. But yeah, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, whatever, you do what you want. This is your space, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. I'm gonna label this outfit as kind of a very sporty but girly outfit because, one, this yellow top I'm wearing, this is a sports bra. This is a bralette from Victoria's Secret Pink. And I like it because it doesn't look like your normal sports bra. It's kind of like, almost like lounge wear, but can also pass as a crop top, which I really love. And it's very bright. Yellow is such a great summer color, so I really like this. And then paired with one of my favorite high-waisted jeans. These jeans are from American Eagle, and they're just the perfect length, perfect fit. They make the best jeans, honestly. Such a large range of sizes and different styles. And then normally I just keep it like this, but I thought, hey, why not make it look a little more put together? That's why I paired this cardigan over it, and it's like a nice big slouchy crochet cardigan. This one is from Target, and I'm going to get a little closer so I can show you what it looks like. It's just a crochet thin knit pattern, and yeah, and I paired this outfit with my white slip-on sandals. I'm going to cut to that clip right now, and these sandals are from Target. They're one of my favorite sandals to wear in the summer because they're really easy to put on and go great with pretty much anything. So yeah, that is outfit number 1. Alright, so this is outfit number 2. Again, this is very sporty, and this one personally isn't my style, but I wanted to do a masculine kind of tomboy look, so that's what I'm doing with this outfit here. Now this would be the perfect outfit to wear like on a summer night out, a bonfire party, something kind of when the day's a little bit cooler, because it is a sweater with jeans, but this sweater is very thin, which is why I appreciate it. This sweater is from Victoria's Secret Pink. It's just a gray sweater with the nice Hawaii sequin detail on the back. It's very fun, very cute, and very comfortable. And then I'm just wearing the same American Eagle jeans I was wearing in the first outfit. And then my hat, this baseball cap is from Target. It's just this really cute rainbow baseball cap that you can wear however you want, but I honestly really like the 90s backwards cap look, so that's what I'm going with this. Gives me like Luke from Gilmore Girls, if you know what I mean. Oh, and for my shoes, I'm wearing my black Target sneakers. Cut to them right now. These are super comfy, super easygoing. They're like fake knockoff Vans, but honestly, they're comfortable. They do the job. They were like $12, so yeah, that's my shoes for this outfit. Okay, so this is outfit number 3. This is personally the most casual outfit that I'm going to show you guys today. It's really, really easy to put together. This whole thing is from Brandy Melville, and I just love it because it's super lightweight. Their material is so soft, so it honestly feels like you're wearing pajamas, but it's not pajamas, you know what I mean? I mean, you could wear it to bed, but hey, you do you. It's just these really cute burgundy ruffle shorts that go good with pretty much anything, and then a simple black tank top that I wear almost every day. And then I just have my hair tied up in this half up, half down do. Comment down below if you want me to do a summer hairstyle tutorial, because this is honestly one of my go-to hairstyles for summer because it gets your hair out of your face without like fully committing to a ponytail, you know what I mean? But yeah, let me give you a full spin of the outfit. Full spin. Yes, love it. Super easy. Oh, and my shoes. I'm wearing these black strappy sandals, again from Target. Really cute, comfy, and go great with the black on top. So yeah. Alright, this is outfit number 4. Now this is personally one of my favorite outfits. It's totally my style. It's easy breezy, but very feminine. I'm just wearing this super cute black and white floral romper from H&M. Let me show you the back on this thing, because this back is dope. It's an open back with that little string in the middle. And it kind of just adds like the perfect touch of like, I don't know, a perfect touch of sexy, but still keeping the outfit very, very appropriate. I love it. And then I dressed up the romper with this jean jacket from Old Navy. It's my go-to denim jean jacket because denim jean jackets just scream summer. They're super cute. Not too hot, but still keep you warm when it's a little breezy outside. I love it, man. And then my shoes. I'm wearing the black strappy sandals that are again from Target. And yeah, that's my outfit. Woo! And then my hair, just kept it down. I didn't want to do anything with it. But this outfit itself, I would personally wear this like if I was going out on a date, or maybe going like bowling with my friends, because it's like versatile, easy going, but still looks put together and not so casual. Not as casual as outfit number 3. But yeah, outfit number 5. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 5. And this look, I would say, is like a amusement park look, or maybe you're gonna go out to the beach or something. I don't know, this is probably the most hot weather type outfit I could put together. It's basically gonna, I can't speak, I'm sorry. It's basically an American Eagle tank top in this really cute navy blue color, and then some American Eagle, wow, shocker, high-waisted festival shorts, I think they were called. And then I paired the look with this cardigan that I stole from my boyfriend. Shout out to Raphael. And I love it because it's super colorful and also has a hood. And yeah, it's just really cute, very nice. It has pockets on the sides, and I like it because if it's ever cold or breezy outside and I want to add something on, it's just the perfect pop of color to add to any outfit. So it's really a great cardigan. I wish I knew where this is from. I'm gonna ask him, and if I figure it out, I'm gonna put it in the video. But yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know where it's from right now. And then my shoes, I'm wearing my favorite white Converse that I wear with pretty much any outfit if I want something that's easy to walk in and very comfortable. But yeah, that's outfit number 5, guys. 5 guys.
5 guys.
Alright, summer pro tip, listen to your moms and put on sunblock because my shoulders are killing me. This outfit hurt so much to put on, but I hope to God you guys like it. We're almost to the end of the week, guys. If you have a very feminine, beachy style, this is definitely the outfit for you. This is a romper by the brand Grade and Gather. It's super cute, floral. It has an open back, so keep in mind if you're gonna wear this romper, make sure you have a bralette or a tank top or something to put underneath it. It also does have a deep plunging V-neck neckline, which is why I paired it with this blue bralette from Victoria's Secret. And yeah, this is such a comfy look. It looks like you put a lot of work into it, but honestly, it's just a one-piece outfit that I slipped on in like 2 seconds. And then the shoes I'm wearing with it are my Target white slide-on sandals that I wore with the first outfit. And yeah, that is the finished look for outfit number 6. And now for the final look, outfit number 7. Hey, this one's different. It's one of my favorite pieces that I wear almost every day. It's my striped Beetlejuice-inspired jumpsuit from Target, of course. I love this because it's really cute. It can be dressed up or down, but in this case I actually dressed it up because I wanted to give you guys a sort of semi-formal summer outfit. And what I love about this is that it's super lightweight, but very well put together, and girly, but also not that girly. So if you're someone that's not into dresses or skirts, bam! Pants, jumpsuit, best thing that's ever best thing that's ever invented. Let me just get close up so I can show you guys what the front of it looks like. But basically it has these side ties and it just scrunches up in the middle, so it really gives you a nice good looking chest. And then the back just has a long zipper detail that goes all the way to the booty. So it's really easy to put on and off, which I appreciate, especially for bathroom purposes, you know what I'm saying? And then to give this look the final touch, I paired it with this gray knit cardigan from Target, and you can wear it on the shoulders, you can wear it off the shoulders, whatever you like. And then for my shoes, I'm gonna wear my black Target pumps. These are perfect, they're very business casual and can dress up pretty much any outfit. In this case, it makes this outfit look super professional. But yeah, that's outfit number 7. Bye! Hi guys, thank you all so much for watching my summer outfit of the week video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you got some inspiration from the outfits. I hope to make more summer videos soon, hopefully another summer lookbook and a summer maybe hairstyle video or something like that. I don't know, but if you're new here, subscribe and stay tuned for all the content I have coming. I have lots of free time and I hope to film more for you guys in the future. So thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.